The last learning disability we have is dyscalculia. We call it what? Dyscalculia. This has to do with mathematical ability. You remember that when I started, I said that these learning disabilities can be hereditary. It can be hereditary, it can be caused by environmental factor. Some kids in your class don't like maths. Children don't like maths, many of them. So how can you handle such? How can you handle it as a teacher? Number one is use of visual aids. You are teaching mathematics now. You are, okay, let's say addition as a topic. You are teaching them 2 plus 2. You are looking at them like this. I said 2 plus 2. You are looking at them. No. You have visual aids. If you want to teach mathematics as a teacher, you have to use counter. Use counter, especially when you are teaching addition. When it has to do with addition, when it has to do with subtraction, we use counter. Make sure you have that as a teacher. When you say 2 plus 2, allow them. Let them count out 2. Count out another 2. Then you join it together. When you join it together, you have what? You ask them to count. You have what? 4. They should practice it. Make your class to be live. Make it interesting by using visual aids, by using what they see, what they can feel while doing the maths. So by doing this, you can be able to arouse the interest of that one child, that one kid in your class that doesn't like maths. Then another one is use of real life examples. So many of us as a teacher, you just enter class, you'll be like, yesterday my mommy bought 10 mangoes and we ate 6 in the night. This morning now, how many do you think that is remaining? You are standing, you are giving them such tasks to do without you not break it down. It's too complex. As I said, what you have to do is that draw the 10 mangoes that you said your mommy bought yesterday. Draw it on the board. When you draw it on the board, you have already asked them, and we ate 4 yesterday night. What will you do? You wipe out 4. When you wipe out 4, you now ask them, how many is this on the board? They can be able to answer you. They can be able to count it. They can be able to do it. They can break it down. Use real life example. Don't bring abstract something for kids. You just make it up. Boom, you are giving them. Use real life examples. It shouldn't be abstract. It shouldn't be too much for them. Another one is break down complex problem into smaller steps. You break down complex problem into smaller steps. X minus 4 equals to 10. What is x? You have stated it. Bam, we are done. No, please teachers, no. X minus 4 is equals to 10. Show them how to do cross multiply. Show the kid how to do this. Bring the child closer to you. Make him to understand, make me or her to understand that you have to do cross multiply. Tell him or her how to do it. Don't assume that they know it. They don't know it. You know it because you are the teacher. Those kids don't know. Don't assume. There is no assumption when teaching kids, especially when teaching children. Especially mathematics, there is no assumption. They don't know it. So please break down complex problem into smaller steps. This will help you to handle kids with mathematical disability. Then the last one is encourage the use of calculator when appropriate. We should encourage the use of calculator. They are not computer. If you're a teacher and in your class they have got to the stage of these kids can use calculator, please let them be. Let them use calculator. Imagine you having a kid that in your class that doesn't know maths, and they are not giving him condition on top that they are not going to use calculator. That's funny, right? It's very, very funny because I wonder, me as a teacher self, I wonder how he or she is going to cope. He or she will get tired. He'll be like, I beg. Each time he sees you coming into the class, he'll be like, I'm tired though. Please encourage use of calculator when appropriate. If they have gotten the stage of using calculator, please let them be. They are not computer. If they have gotten to the level of using calculator, please as a teacher, mathematics teacher, please allow them to use calculator in peace. So these are the 3 learning disabilities that we have.
You think you got the right, but I think you got